Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a free website that can remove the background from any image instantly. No Photoshop, no editing skills, and no long process. Just upload your photo and it does the work for you. The website is called remove.bg. It's a powerful AI tool that detects the subject in your image and removes the background in just 1 second. It works with people, products, animals, and more. Using it is extremely simple. You go to remove.bg, click upload image, and within seconds your image appears without the background. That's it. You can download the result as a transparent PNG or add a new background directly from their editor. You can choose from solid colors, gradients, or even upload your own background to replace the original one. It's super fast and requires no account to start. If you're a content creator, this tool can help you make eye-catching thumbnails, promo posts, or banners. If you sell online, you can create professional product shots without hiring a photographer. It also supports bulk image processing. That means you can remove backgrounds from multiple images at once. Great for businesses and freelancers who deal with dozens of photos daily. Remove.bg also offers plugins for tools like Photoshop, Canva, and Figma. So you don't even have to leave the platform you already use. Just remove backgrounds directly from there. There's also a desktop version and mobile app, so you can use it anytime, anywhere, even offline. Now let's talk about quality. The AI is smart enough to cleanly cut around hair, fingers, and even transparent objects like glasses. It works far better than most manual apps or free tools out there. And yes, there's a free version. You get standard quality downloads with no watermark. For HD or bulk downloads, you can buy credits or go for a paid plan. But honestly, the free version is good enough for most users. You can use remove.bg to build your personal brand too. Clean profile pictures, resumes, posters, all look more professional with transparent backgrounds and custom designs. If you're offering services on Fiverr or social media, you can use this tool to deliver fast, clean results without any complex software. So go ahead, try it out at remove.bg, and see the difference yourself. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow for more free tools that save your time and make your work easier.